Hey everyone, so I decided to do pink and blue together. So I'm going to use this pink right here with this blue right here. On my eyes, I've got pink idolize. The hearts are gone now. Alright. In the blue. Take this pretty white here. I love how they made that white because it's got the blue and the pink swirls in it, but it still comes out white. I'm going to take that same white and go in the inner corners. Then I'm just going to dip my finger in this glitter. I'm just gonna put black mascara, eyeliner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used everything I used last week, and then I used this pink lip gloss. Spread the love. So that's what I did. I bleached my hair yesterday. A lot of the blue from the teal did not want to come out. And the blue on my head turned like a pink and a purple, which I don't mind. But man, you can see how scraggly my hair is. How much damage is in my hair. I'm going to have to use some good conditioners. So, yeah, I'm wondering, should I just put a bleach just on the roots and more bleach to get this out, or just go ahead and put toner? I'm not sure. I just wasn't, happy with how my hair, it was just time, and I didn't want to do Mother's Day like that. But I think this isn't bad though, what came out of this. But anyway, yeah, so that is that. If you live in the Houston area, the pop-up sale, it's a bunch of knockoffs. They say they have 40 name brands, but they're actually knockoffs. It's free to get in. So that's gonna be here this weekend at the West Chase Marriott, I think. It's off of Westheimer and 8. So if you're interested, I'm gonna try and go tomorrow. And also, I use the primer, I use the mist, and I have to say, even though they feel great on the skin, I just don't like the smell that they did to these. The mist, the setting spray smells kind of eucalyptic-y, and these are citrusy. I really don't like citrusy smells. So even though I don't like the smell, I still like how it felt on my skin. So just wanted to give you that. Anyway, okay, I'll see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.